Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It's a baby girl here, Promise Breezy. You're highly welcome to this channel. If this is your first time here, please kindly hit the red button that says subscribe and be part of this family. So guys, welcome back again to another vlog. Right now we're about to go out, and I said I should pick up my camera and take you guys along with us. We all are about to go out. So guys, I lose my hair today. Yeah, seriously, I'm tired of this hair. I'm thinking of barbing it very soon, but I don't know when. It's already in my mind to barb the hair because I'm so tired of this hair. Seriously, it's not as if I even used to make hair that much. It's wig that I normally wear, so I don't see any need of keeping it. It's having this hair very soon because I'm so tired of it. Seriously. So guys, welcome back again to this vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys along with us. We are about to go out right now and we want to take a walk a little bit. It's evening and I think it's almost 7 p.m. so hubby just came back from work and said, okay, we should all go out, family outing, family strolling, anyone you call her. So guys, let's go right away. What do you want to eat here?
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
This?
You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Guys, this is my Owen and it's wahala. He was crying, he didn't want to stay on his chair, so we had to enter the supermarket and go and get him chips first before he finally agreed to stay on his stroller. So we are still walking around though. We just left the house not quite long ago. He refused to stay on his chair. That was why we stopped by at the supermarket. I bought him chips. So let's continue.
Myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. Smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need.
So guys, we are still walking around and I want to look for where to just take some pictures, then we'll go home. I'm really tired now, I will not lie to you guys. Like, I want to look for somewhere to just take some cool picture now, then we go home. We have walked around a lot today. Yeah,
like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.
So guys, I'm about to take my picture. I just want to take picture here. It's not as if I did makeup. I didn't do any makeup. This is my natural face. Oh hey, I didn't do any makeup, so I just want to take fine pictures. Here you can see the environment, right? So beautiful out here. I can't come to this place without taking pictures. Here is like 10 minutes away from our side with bus anyway, so I don't usually come here all the time. So let me just spoil myself today by taking some pictures, right?
You just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
So guys, I just took some picture here. The area is so beautiful. Look at that water. This place is so beautiful. Some people are even here with professional photographers to take pictures.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away.
Guys, we are about to go home right now. It's almost 9 p.m. Yeah, we want to enter bus right now. We want to take a bus home because we took bus. We can actually walk, but we don't want to walk. We want to take bus. Yeah, it's this bus stop. So we are going to take bus stop. We are going to take bus. Guys, can you see how everywhere is just busy this night? Yeah, this time is the time that people normally come out to eat, like dinners. Those that are not eating at home, they come out to take their dinner outside, and some shops are not closed yet, like this one we are in front of now. This one is C&A, is not closed yet, and some other stores, they are not closed yet. So we want to take bus now. We'll see you guys when we get home. So guys, welcome back again. We just came back. It's past 10 p.m. and I'm really hungry. When I say I'm hungry, since morning I haven't even logged into YouTube. Like a lot of notification in my phone right now. I know since morning I haven't logged into YouTube. Seriously, I'm so hungry right now. I just want to prepare food. I bought plantain and egg. That is what we are going to be eating right now. I'm going to be preparing egg and plantain for dinner. Yeah, I don't even know. Me that say I'm not going to be eating nice food anymore. But right now, seriously, I really don't care. Anyway, that is why I just bought four seeds of plantain, because if I buy more than this now, we are going to overeat it, and I don't want that. I seriously need to do this fast.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
So guys, here is my fried plantain and fried egg. It's ready right now. Come and join us. But first of all, I want to go and pour water in my body because the heat I'm feeling here right now. Come and join us, guys. Yum. Yum. So guys, welcome back again. We just finished eating. I told you guys I want to go and bathe before we eat. Yeah, I finished bathing, then we ate. Yeah, we finished eating right now. The food was so delicious as shown in the video. It was really delicious, I will not lie to you. So guys, right now I want to unbox something with you guys. Like I said before, I said I want to unbox something with you guys. So right now I want to unbox it with you guys. I showed it in the video before when we went to go and buy it in cotton glass. We bought it in cotton glass. Here it's a camera, it's a small camera like that. It's not for myself, it's for my husband, because he has his own YouTube channel, and the kind of video he makes in that channel is like He's like walking tall, all those kind of video, like when live there, like all those kind of video walking tall. So this our particular camera now that I'm using to vlog right now, he said if he use it normally shake, so he wanted to buy a Game Boy. Game Boy is something that you will buy when no, you can't eat chocolate this night. Please keep it, collect it from him. You can't eat chocolate this night. Oh, and go and drop it. You can't eat that this night, please. So he said if you use this camera, it will be shaking, it's not stable, and all those kind of things, you know. So he wanted to buy Game Boy. Game Boy is something that you will buy. It's just like a tripod for a camera. If you buy it, you use it for your camera, maybe to make it more stable. I don't even know it. I've not used it before, so now Game Boy. I still the year. So and that one now is expensive. This camera he bought is more expensive though, but he said instead of him buying that one, he rather just buy this camera. And this camera is like a pocket camera, very small, and according to them the quality is okay. He bought it almost 400 euro. So we are going to be unboxing it with you guys right now.
Wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every.
So guys, we just finished unboxing the camera. I said I should unbox it with you guys. As you can see, the camera name is DJI. Is it DJI DJI Pocket 2? The name of the camera is DJI Pocket 2. Like they say Pocket 2, that means it's a pocket camera. You can see how small it is. So he said he will serve him well on his channel, because his channel is all about like walking around, videoing around, and all those kind of things. Waka waka dupe around waka dupe around waka dupe around video. That is all what his channel is all about. So please check his channel out. It's sense value.
You know they put the package on channel for waka dupe. It's like traveling vlog.
You never they travel. No one if you they travel. If you know they travel, then me go still go YouTube. Say my husband is doing traveling vlog. Guys, okay, please check my husband's channels out. He's doing traveling vlog, but we never travel go anywhere. Be they travel go Magalu. Okay guys, please check his channel out. He do vlog as in like walking tour, all those kind of video. That is the video he make on his channel. Please check it out. You will get to see beautiful cities, beautiful place you can visit in case you are thinking of visiting abroad. You can see beautiful place for tourists if you want to come as a tourist. So you see beautiful place to visit. So please check his channel out. It's Saint Valley. We are still cooking the channel. I will see you all in my next video. Okay, for now, stay blessed and stay cool. Bye bye. Oh, I say bye bye. Oh, is just busy with the carton. I say bye bye. I beg, let me leave all alone. I will see you all in my next video. Okay.